Excited about that new Chromecast? So am I. But how quickly can you set it up? Let's find out.
Your tech, it's powerful. You can even connect devices you never thought you could. Get ready to make your life easier. Let's hook it up.
Welcome to Hook It Up. Today, we're talking about the Google Chromecast. I'm gonna show you how to hook it up to your TV, give you a step-by-step on how to set it up, then show you how to share your favorite photos, YouTube videos, and even put your computer on the big screen. Now let's go ahead and open it up. There we go, get this off. There it is. Ah, is it really this simple? Comes with the Chromecast itself, power adapter, USB cable for the power. Let's go hook it up. Look for the port at the bottom. There's your USB port for power. Take the supplied USB cable and plug it in. Plug your AC adapter into an outlet. Plug in the HDMI cord into the HDMI port. You are almost done. Go ahead and turn your TV on and select the input you plugged your Chromecast into. Select it and you'll see this Get the App screen pop up. There, it tells you to go ahead and download and open the Google Home app. All right, so here's my Google Home app and select Set Up Chromecast. First, go ahead and open up your favorite video app and look for the cast icon. Then, choose what device you want to cast to. Now, all you have to do is choose the video you want to cast and hit play. Now you can see on the TV, it is playing that video. And on your phone, you have the freedom to navigate, look for the next video you want to watch, or control the video. You have the scrub bar, fast forward, pause, and you can even control the volume with the volume rocker on your phone. I'm going to use Google Photos app, hit the cast button, choose the family room, and you can see the TV has now switched over to Google Photos. Then in the app, just go ahead and go down and select what picture I want to share, and there it pops up on the TV. Another cool thing you can do with Chromecast is share your desktop or your laptop screen on your TV. Go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the same network as your Google Chromecast. Then go up to the menu bar and hit View, go down to Cast, and then go to Sources. We're gonna choose Desktop, and then the device we wanna cast to, which is the family room TV. Choose to share your entire screen, then click Share. And now we are successfully mirroring our laptop screen up to the television. And you can navigate the internet or programs on a much larger display. So there you have it. We've unboxed the Google Chromecast, hooked it up to the TV, walked through how to put your pictures, videos, and apps from your phone on the big screen, and how you can use it as a wireless computer monitor. That's it for this episode of Hook It Up. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.